Wagwan peeps. Today we're doing some controlled burning. We have to control burning. I have to get rid of this weed that we keep raking up. So we're just burning it in spaces now after we wake it up. A lot of work this morning. Doing some planting too. Trying to plant okra. Some more okra. So now I'm okra man, I guess. And some more corn. And we're planting some cucumber. And some melon. There's supposed to be some rain coming soon, which they've been saying for 2 weeks. So, gonna do some things out here, man. Again, coming soon, building big house, goat pen, and chicken coop. All gonna be starting in June. Gonna finish up by July. By August, we're gonna be bringing in our first goats. 2 ram goats, which are males, and 6 females. Bringing 2 pigs already pregnant, and bringing chickens, layers for eggs, and go from there. Come on. Everything should be done by September, October. Yeah, so that's the corn that we're going to be planting out for the next week. Hopefully that will bring us some income to do all of that. Corn is paying good money right now. Whether it's sweet or native, they're still paying good money. And this farm is good for farming. For corn. What's really good here, melons go good. Pumpkin, which they use for soup here. Corn, which is corn. And okra, which is okra, English. And melons, cantaloupes, and things like that. Sugar cane. This was sugar cane land before. So it's fertile with all the nitrogens and phosphorus for all that right there. So give me a call. Also doing my real estate now, full-time realtor in Jamaica and also Florida. Florida, I'm a real estate broker. LandcrestRealty.com. Number is 786-206-1544. And I'm a realtor in Jamaica for Hoshing, Hoshing Realty. Hoshing Realty. You can see my bio. We're in Montego Bay. My number for that is 876-376-1027. You can call me regular or WhatsApp. And you can reach me international in Florida or all through the U.S. 786-206-1544. Yeah, man, returning residents. If you want to come back to Jamaica, man, I'll set you up real nice. Some nice communities being built here. And we can also sell your house if you live in Florida. I'll set you up real nice both ways. Show you all the properties, everything. And vice versa. If you want to sell your property or your land here in Jamaica, whether you're here or not, I'll set you up, man. Everything good. Hoshing Realty, I've been doing this for over 35 years. I can tell you from start to finish how things are going to go. All right. Later.